In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a SaaS with Lovable. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Lovable website. You'll find everything you need to begin your project there. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option to start a new project. You'll want to click on New Project. This is where the magic begins. You have a choice to make. You can either start from scratch or use an AI prompt. If you're new to this, using an AI prompt can give you a helpful head start, but starting from scratch gives you more control. Now, you need to enter your idea. Don't worry if you're not a tech wizard, just describe in plain English what you're envisioning. For instance, you might say something like, create a SaaS that allows users to track tasks, invite team members, and generate reports. Keeping it simple and clear ensures the AI knows exactly what you want to achieve. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Generate. This is where Lovable's AI truly shines. It'll create a full landing page for you, set up a login and sign up system, and even automate dashboards, tables, and data structures. And the best part, it only takes about 1 to 3 minutes. So go grab a coffee while Lovable works its magic. After your project is generated, it's time to customize the user interface using the Visual Builder. This tool allows you to tweak the look and feel of your project to better match your brand or aesthetic preferences. Make sure to spend some time here to get everything just right. Next up, let's add some important SaaS features. You can do this by using AI prompts or by dragging and dropping pre-made components, which makes building your SaaS functional and efficient. After setting up the features, you'll need to connect Supabase, a hosting platform for the backend of your application. Next, you will click on Supabase within Lovable to integrate it, providing your SaaS the backend functionality it needs to operate effectively. Setting up this connection is crucial for ensuring that everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. Now let's talk payments. Integrate Stripe to manage financial transactions through your SaaS. Connecting your Stripe account allows you to create different subscription tiers, like Basic, Pro, and Enterprise. In no time, Lovable will generate a checkout page, billing portal, and subscription management logic to streamline the payment process. Finally, with everything in place, it's time to publish your application and add your unique domain. This ensures that your SaaS is accessible to your users under a professional web address of your choosing. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only created a SaaS but also made it publicly accessible. Congratulations on taking this project from concept to completion. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in your SaaS journey with Lovable.